Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about the lipid profile. Lipid are the group of the fat and fat-like substances that are important constitute of the cells and the source of energy. A lipid panel measures the level of specific lipid in the blood. Two important lipids are cholesterol and triglycerides and the transported in the blood by the lipoprotein is called as the lipoprotein particles. Each type of lipoprotein contained a combination of cholesterol, triglyceride, protein and the phospholipid molecules. The particles measured with the lipid panel and the classified by the density into the high density lipoprotein which is called as a HDL, low density lipoproteins and the very low density lipoproteins. The lipid panel typical includes our total cholesterol, measure all the cholesterol in all lipoprotein particles, high density lipoprotein cholesterol, uh, measure the cholesterol in HDL particles, often called good cholesterol because of HDLC takes up excess cholesterol and carries it to the liver for removal. Low density lipoprotein cholesterols are calculate or measure the cholesterol in LDL particles, often called bad cholesterol because it deposited excessive cholesterol in wall of the blood vessels, which can contribute to. Usually, the amount of LDL-C is calculated using the result of total cholesterol. Triglycerides measure all the triglycerides in the all lipoprotein particles, most in the very of low density lipoprotein. Very low density lipoproteins calculate the triglycerides. This formula is based on the typical combination of VLDL particles. An extended lipid profile may also include the low density lipoproteins particles number or concentration. The test measure the number of LDL particles rather than the measuring the amount of LDL cholesterol. It is the thought that is the value may be more accurate reflect heart disease risk in a certain peoples. Monitoring the maintaining healthy level of the lipids is the important staying healthy. While the body produces the cholesterol need to function properly, the source of some cholesterol is the diet. Eating so much of the food and that high saturated fats and the train unsaturated fats or having an inherited predisposition can result the high level of cholesterol in the blood. The extra cholesterol may be deposited in the plaques on the walls of the blood vessels, and it can be narrow and eventually block the opening of the blood vessels, leading to the hardening of arteries and the increasing the risk of the numerous health problems. So, high level of triglycerides in the blood also associated with the increased risk of developing cardiovascular disease, although is the reason of heart attacks. So this is all about the lipid profile. Thank you.